Nokia has launched a media streamer on Flipkart, and the media streamer stands tall against some of the present options in the market. But given the market value of the brand, you sure would want to check out what Nokia has to offer in terms of features offered and the value for money that you're paying for the same. Here's a quick look at what the box includes. So firstly, it's a standard box packaging, and the first thing that you see here is this booklet that would give you all the information on how to use the media streamer and how to set it up. And then this one is that cute little, actually a quite small one when you compare that to most of the sticks. It's much slimmer and it is easy to actually place it behind your TV. And it has two connectivity ports. One would be the micro HDMI and one would be the micro USB port. This is the remote that has two buttons dedicated for Netflix and Z5 and the other navigation buttons along with it. The wires that you get here is one the HDMI cable, and the other one is going to be the one that would charge the media streamer and also have the IR receiver. So the IR receiver is actually the one that would help connect the remote with the box. Next you have this travel adapter or the charger. Now setting up the Nokia Media Streamer is easy enough as it comes with Android TV based on Android 9, and you are good to go with the Google account login so that the history of browsing would set the preferences for your content. A regular TV is made smart with this media streamer, and since this comes with the Chromecast built in, you can always connect your smartphone and stream anything you like, even your captured photos and videos onto the larger screen while watching TV with your family. Since the Nokia Media Streamer is coming with Android TV, there's access to over 5000 apps, and you can download any app, delete the ones you don't need, and it is all through an easy to navigate interface. One of the major advantages of this streamer over the other available options in the market is that it comes with Wi-Fi. That's the dual band Wi-Fi with the support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, and this multi-input output antenna for better reception, so that there is better reception and seamless connectivity while consuming media on the different OTT platforms. Now talking about these platforms itself, there is direct availability of Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar, Z5, Spotify and Google Play, while the first time we see a hotkey for Z5 alongside Netflix on the remote control. Also, you might not see the Prime Video directly on the interface, but as said about the advantage of Android, you'll still be able to download it from the Play Store. While I had no issue downloading it, there might be some users who might not get it for the first time. So what you need to do is go to the Play Store, search for Prime and open it. There would be a pop-up showing that the device is not compatible. You'll just need to go back to the home and come back to Play Store, search, and now you'll be able to install it. You'll see the install tab there. As far as the specs are concerned, the Nokia Media Streamer comes with a quad-core processor, 1GB RAM, 8GB storage and Mali 450 GPU. Your TV just needs to have HDMI input for the streamer to work without any technical knowledge. The Google Assistant in the streamer can be given commands with the voice, and there's a mic provided in the remote for the easy voice commands, and you can always ask questions to the Google Assistant for the quick answers. While the video content delivery is possible for up to 1080p resolution at 60 fps, the audio is also made better by the device, as there is digital Dolby audio that offers high definition audio output from even the TVs that don't have Dolby audio enabled. Overall, the Nokia Media Streamer is a go-to option for someone who is looking forward to a decent option that enhances the features of a regular TV with support for good connectivity options, audio enhancement and support for major OTT platforms for endless media viewing. So that's it. This was all about the Nokia Media Streamer that comes as one of the other choices in the market that would compete with most of the available options in the market. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Time for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.